No, these got modernized. This is a Denver Financial Center. Oh, oh man, I was so excited. I thought these were originally old Elevonic 401s. Oh, that's a bummer they got modernized. Maybe one of the other cars might be original. Let's see. Send this one down. Oh, wow. Yeah, check it out. They have the original lantern still. Let's see. That's a bummer. All the stairwell doors say "Have a nice day." That's funny. Here's the service car. Maybe this is original. No, actually not yet. I think it's modded. Let's not bother. Let's just go film the main ones. Oh, that's a bummer. We'll just go see since it's here. No, it's modded. Yep, all right. That's a bummer. Oh, man. These were going to be my April 1st Elevonic 401 day upload. Now I got to find other Elevonic 401s to film. That's a bummer. Would have loved to see these original. All right, let's wait for one to come down, I hope. Oh man, we got this one again. Yeah, that's a bummer. These cabs are very nice though. I really do like these cabs. All right, let's go down back to lobby. RIP Series 1s. Well, at least I got to come film these at all. Usually this building is locked, so I guess the fact that I came here on a weekday during business hours